Right, well, that went on okay, and the other cover went on okay, and they basically just pop into place. I think that's a little bit loose. I mean, compared to how hard they were to get off, I mean, I really struggled to get the bloody things off. I might have to give, you know, rejig that one, bend the bracket underneath up. Oh, you've got my hand in the way. I might have to bend the bracket back up because that's a little bit loose, but that's not too bad. Well, as predicted, those resistors have got to come out. There's nothing there. It's definitely on because you just heard the crackle from the speaker, so we'll have to jump those resistors out or take them out or something, which will be fun. So that's glowing okay, not bright, but there's already resistor in the little lens neon assembly. This is a good tip. Turn it off, pull the plug out. That's a really excellent bit of safety advice that I try to follow but sometimes don't. End up resting my hand on the corner of a chassis or something like that where the mains transformer is, getting about. So good tip there. Just before we flip it back over, I'm not going to put the back on just yet because I want to check the output at that stereo out there on the scopes to see what sort of output we got from this cartridge. Right, I've got Donovan, what's been did and what's been hid. Nice chunky record, just here's bleeding all get out. So what shall we have? Josie, Gold Watch Blues. Here's your gold watch and your shackles for your chain. I need to get a different spindle for this, but not the auto changer one. But I can't get that bugger out. On. Catch off. Ooh, you fuck pig. Right. So. Right, we've got an output. Scope probes on there. I'll just turn that down because YouTube jump all over me when I put music on. Right, I don't know whether I got this. This is a differential plug-in. We don't really want a differential plug-in, do we? I've got a signal, but put it on the other one. So we've got some there, got an output there, but nothing on that one. So I'm going to have to take the record off and get at the cartridge wiring underneath. One moment. Right, I got there in the end. I had a bit of a brain fart there. For a start, I think, basically, right, what I've done, I checked the cartridge, I checked the wiring from the cartridge, the continuity from the wiring, from the cartridge, all the way back to this plug. I found out that this 3.5mm plug that was in there was faulty. So we were only getting one channel output, one positive, you know, because both of the grounds off the 4-pin cartridge are earthed, grounded together and go to ground. And then after doing all that, I fitted another 3.5mm blah blah cartridge, which was difficult because it was one of these free sort of floating, what do you call it, 3.5mm sockets. So I had to, I thought it about and got it to work in the end. So, and then I realised that I was playing a mono record earlier on. So I might only be getting one side of I might have only been getting one channel out or something, because as I remember it, when I got this, there was a wire jumping the two positive outputs of the cartridge out. You see what I mean, hopefully, if I just... Right, so that's with both of the channels shorted. But I'm not sure. Right. So I'm not sure, I can't remember exactly what a mono... Yeah, you're going to hate me for this, look, just chucking records down there. I can't remember how a mono record's grooves work. So, try and frame it a bit better. Right, okie dokie, got the prototype wired up, got an output coming from the record player, in we go. Right, enough, I'm knackered, I need to go and have a sit down, back's giving me jip, and that's enough for one day. Bored of shouting. This record player is done for my daughter, the Ultra, what do you call it, record player. Wants a little bit more of a clean, and we're good. I can pop the bottom on and give it her for Christmas with a Beatles record. Thank you very much for watching again. Ta-da for now, and take care of yourselves.